If you want to make money by just typing simple letter on your computer, and you can do it over and over again, and you can work from home, you can make some good amount of money. So watch till end and find out what it is. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. Like I said, you can make money by just simply typing your website on this website. You can do it over and over again guys, and you can withdraw your money easily via bank guys. It's easy. You can just type and watch till end. I show another website similar like to this. So watch till end and find out what is this website and how you can make money. It's the easiest method in the internet. You can make some good amount of side hustle. So watch till end guys, like I said, and this is the website I told you earlier how you can make money by just typing a simple words on the internet and say make good amount of money with this. And this is called 2captcha.com guys. It's like a captcha entry website. You can make some good amount of money with the captcha entry website. You can make from $0.5 for 1,000 solved captcha. It's easy guys. Just you can easily get paid some good amount of captcha if you had a good skill at typing. You can get paid some good amount of money. You can make up to $10 a month. It's not like a big income, but you can make some good amount of money with a simple typing experience. You can improve typing experience too guys. It's a simple method. You can so hostel and find out. I share the similar website to this, and you can combine together and make some good amount of profit with this guys, and invest the profit in any other business type, whatever it may be. You can make some good amount of money and living with this step guys. Like I said, it's for customer guys, it's not for us. And this is for workers guys, and this is the rates guys. 3 cents for 1,000 normal captcha, and $1 1 cent for recaptures guys. It's like a I'm not robot captcha. Do you remember that I'm not robot captcha? Simple. You can select some images they shown, like select the worker image, select the train image. It's like a recaptcha guys. Normal captcha you can get 3 cents, and recaptcha you can get 1 cent. It's a simple. And normal captcha took about 27 seconds, and recaptcha took about 2 seconds. If you do recaptcha, and you can get some good amount of lots of money guys. And this is some worker banned because they usually do with the bots are not allowed in this website. So you can do by yourself, and you can get paid some good amount of money. In order to get paid, you can just need at least a good typing skill. If you don't have a good typing skill, I think you don't get any money. If you're good at typing skill, you can get some lot more money guys. For the recaptcha, if you don't have a good typing skill, it doesn't matter. Just you can get some good little bit of money from this website. So this is the website guys, and this is not like a whole you can make money. I show how you can sign up and how you can make some good amount of money. It's like a captcha entry and simple website. I don't need to explain to this because it's simple explanatory. You can easily make some good amount of money with this captcha entry easily and over again. And come out to this captcha club, caps to captcha.com, and all the way go to the down and click work for us. So automatically take you to this sign up page, or make money online page. And this is where you can simply get paid some good amount of money. And this is the form guys. I highly recommend to read all these steps, and you can easily and watch this video guys. If I play, it's like something copyright, so I don't play. Come to this website and click this play. It's a simple explanatory video. You can easily understand what it is, and you can make money. And this is what you need to work to this website. All you need is a computer or smartphone with internet access. And of course you need to pause our simple free training. It just take 5 to 10 minutes guys. You need to pause some simple training, then only you can get approved. You can get paid some good amount of money. This is a legit guys, all legit way to you can make money. You can make some good amount of money. And watch till and I show a similar website like to this. We can combine together and make some good amount of money. And like I said, how it's working on to capture is quite simple guys. Just hit start work, then the system will start to show you images with the text. You should type this text to the form you are given. Who need that and why we pay for solving captcha, and the customer who sent the captcha to recognize. Saving this captcha can save the time and the pay for that. So simple and explanatory. You can make money for you guys, and you can get paid from other customer, not from this company. This company is like a middleman this company gets some amount of profit, and you can get some amount of profit. And something, you can work whatever you want, wherever you want, and whenever you want. It's work from home, you can do it whatever you want. And this is the average user, guys. $0.5 for every 1 to 2 hours. It's like a some low payout, but it's like a minimum, guys. We can do it maximum, we can do up to $2 or $3, even more than that. So watch till end, guys, and show the similar website like I said. And there is a lots of different payout like I said, guys. And the minimum payout is 0.5 USD, and no payout fees. If you get a $1, you can easily get your $1 on your bank account. There is no internal fees for transaction, nothing like that, guys. It's a simple. And come out of this two captcha and work for us, and click quick start. It automatically take you to this sign up page, and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. I show how to register. Just to put your email and enter your password and repeat your password, and just captcha, guys. And this is like I said, simple captcha, and this is recaptcha, guys. Like I said, I'm not robot. Click I'm not robot. It automatically shows some image. Just choose something like that. Choose bicycles. Choose bicycles. Choose bicycles. So automatically verify like this, guys, and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. Put email and put your password and put your repeated password and click register. Same thing, like once you're registered, you just verify your email and come out to this login and login and get paid some good amount of money with this. And if you watch this video, I like I said, I show the similar website to this, and you can combine together and make some good amount of money. But I highly recommend the two captcha because this is a legit. And another website also legit, but don't put your full effort on another website. Just put your full effort on this website and get paid some good amount of money. And this website is called captchaclub.com. I already uploaded a video about the captchaclub.com. So similar to captcha, but you have some good amount of captcha, guys. It's not any I'm not robot captcha. It's a simple captcha. Just type a number or type any word they shown to you, and you can get paid some good amount of money. This is the captcha club. It's similar to this and data entry. Come out of this captcha club and click make money online. It's automatically take you to this another website, guys. Simple, like I said, guys. Like, you can make money by just typing names or typing letters on your computer and get paid over and over again. And this is the whole video. You can how to make money by just simply typing every letter on your computer and get paid some good amount of money. I hope this video helps you a lot to make some good amount of money. If you like this video, guys, hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, guys. And thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace out.